What's going on, guys? We are picking up where we left off on our build series with the closet. So you guys saw me put up my my Dexter crime scene area. That's just to keep everything, all the dust and debris and everything out of this space, the studio space, and also out of our ventilation system, because we don't want to spread dust all throughout the house just because we're working in one area of the home. But what you guys saw was we tore down everything. We ripped out the old box. Off camera, I went ahead and pulled the drywall down because I got some other things and we're going to be building in this space. So it would be easier if we just had our open wood area. So let's head over to our crime scene space and let's check out what we did. All right, so here's what the closet looks like now. What we did is we took it all down to the studs, moved this power around here, dressed some cables, pulled some cables out that we're not using, pulled a lot of the coax back because we're not using a lot of that. So all we have now is our 2 feed lines and then our power line for the Mac Pro, and then we have all our alarm stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the enlarged box, and then how we had the temperature gauge and fan exhaust controls, we're gonna put that all over here. So everything's gonna be routed over. We even got some extra pull string in case we want to add in some more speakers. So maybe like a 3-channel sound bar or something like that down the road. It just gives us room so we ain't got to open this wall back up. And then we got something extra we're gonna put in right here. So guys, make sure you stay tuned and let's get this done, man. so we are now all cabled up, got everything dressed up. So we got our switch, we got our modem, got our firewall, power line, wireless AP, and then some other stuff. So what's gonna happen up here when we draw all this back up, we have the AP sitting here, and then our IO for our speakers in the ceiling, and then we got some connections coming in off the rack, and then some accessory connections just in case we need to add something behind the TV. This is HDMI, that's why it's not tied down. I didn't want it to really get messed up or kinked up. We also got our extra line in case we ever want to add in some more speakers. Be easy to pull. So we're gonna leave this here for a while like this. Oh yeah, we got our smart power box and our watt box, and everything that's listed here will be in the description below, so you guys can get it. The watt box, you gotta have someone install that for you. You can't just buy that. But if I can find a link for it, I'll give it to you. But otherwise, as far as like the clips and stuff, and then these boxes, actually what I might do, I might give away my old used box. I don't know. I'll think about it, and we'll talk about it in the next video. How about that? But till then, stay tuned, guys, because next video we're gonna be working on this area right here. Because you know, we can't put that old black rack back in here with everything looking all crisp and nice. So more things to come, guys. All right, just like last time, we are closing this episode before we finish the episodes, just because we know we're gonna be drenched, sweaty, and dirty, doing all the good things, and we want to have our best light. But nah, I'm just playing. But if you haven't already, guys, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we got more that we are building in this area. I got a dope surprise for you. And we're just gonna show you how we do it. So stay tuned, stick around, and make sure you watch. And until next time, guys, we're out of here. Peace.